Education is one of the four areas we focus on at ABC7 News as we build a better Bay Area. The others are health, the economy, and the changing workplace. The marches and protests of the past 2 weeks are inspiring a San Francisco nonprofit to develop social justice curriculum for classes this fall. ABC7 News reporter David Louie introduces us to World Savvy.
The nonprofit group World Savvy has been working with teachers for 18 years to instill global citizenship in students.
We try very hard to set students up to really just sort of leverage their own agency as change makers and give them tools.
Seventh graders at Berkeley's Ecole Bilingue French American School have utilized special curriculum to learn and speak out about climate change and gun violence. As the Black Lives Matter movement started as the academic year ended, students have been assigned summer reading to prepare for fall's unit on social justice.
They're starting to see that they have a voice, and they've seen that with student leaders on TV as well. So their energy is not just coming from teachers, of course, or just my curriculum. It's coming from social media, and it's coming from news.
Teachers and the team at World Savvy believe middle school students are at the right age to be critical thinkers about events they see unfolding and issues that impact them. Nothing is too complex or abstract to study.
We had students make a documentary film about gentrification and about how their own community had changed and how sort of systemic institutionalized racism over time had impacted that.
The goal is to encourage students to act, not just be passive learners. Teachers from various schools and districts collaborate and share resources. An important lesson is how difficult and unpredictable change can be, and that no single answer is universal.
They may have a great idea, but they're not necessarily thinking about audience, or they're not necessarily thinking about, will this solve a problem or create a new problem?
David Louie, ABC7 News.